Simply cable your Christmas tree with Eplan Harness proD. First, plan the Christmas lights in Eplan Electric P8. Then, export the electrical logic information from Electric P8 to Eplan Harness proD. Now it's time to place the Christmas components from Eplan Electric P8 in Eplan Harness proD. The routing of the Christmas lights can be done automatically inside of the routing path. Now our decoration cabling is ready, and it's very simple with the point-to-click method. It's your turn. Install your Christmas tree quickly and easily with the help of step-by-step instructions in the Eplan Harness proD project viewer.